Hey, thank you so much for joining my channel again. It has been a hot minute. It has been a little bit long, a little too long, I must add, for doing a Jeep video here, like a unboxing and all that kind of fun stuff. And I apologize, I deeply apologize. It's been really busy and things have been very expensive. It's 2025, and as you, the viewer, know, nothing is cheap anymore. You go to McDonald's, everything is like $20 for a meal. I could have sworn it was $8.99 and now it's 20 bucks. And what's worse is I live in Canada. So it's like living in California, but even worse. But anyways, I digress. I've got some fun news. So, as life would have it, when you own a Jeep, or any vehicle for that matter, you have to do maintenance. Certain things come up that need to be replaced. Large tires. So, what I'm thinking is, this is a great opportunity to, upgrade my tires, and maybe the rims. And if I'm gonna do all this kind of fun stuff and get new stuff for the Jeep that needs, maintenance requirements, why not put maybe like a small spacer kit in? So what I've done, I've got the TeraFlex 1.5 inch kit here for the front, so we can open that up together. And I thought, you know what? I've also got the Daystar 0.75 kit for the rear coils. So what that'll do is that'll put up the front end by 1.5 inches and the back just a little shy of an inch. So it'll still have the rake kind of, I do want that rake because it's a daily driver for me, and I'm hoping that'll just still help with the mileage. But we'll unbox these together. Just take a look, see what comes in the boxes. And then in a future video, we'll actually put it on my Gladiator. Thank you, stay tuned, let's open this together. Thanks for watching. All right, so with the trusty knife, let's open up the TeraFlex. And again, this is going to be the TeraFlex 115300, and that is going to be for your JT model right here, Jeep JT Gladiator leveling kit. Let's open this guy up real quick. Ooh, good old TeraFlex, look at that. There's the two little guys that are going to go on top. This is like your 1/2 inch. You should say, yep, there we go. So that'll be your 1/2 inch coil. This will just go on top of your main coils. And this is what we'll do here. We'll take these right here and we're gonna hook these on, right? Because there's little slots right there. I don't know if you can see those, there are slots right up in here and here. And then what you're gonna do is just gonna boop, boop, boop. There we go. So there's your 1 inch and your 1/2 inch to make it 1.5. And then this guy here will just sit on top of your coils and your isolator. Sorry, this will sit here. Your isolator will go back on there, and then your coil. That doesn't look good. And then your coil will be underneath these guys. What's also nice is you get the 1 inch bump stop as well, right? And it gives you the hardware for that bump stop, and it gives you this cool little wrench that allows you to go underneath that axle, like underneath that pad, because it holds the nut, so then the bolt can go through. So it's pretty cool. I love the way they've done it here. Instructions are in there as well. Good to go. Awesome. There we go. All right, moving right along. Let's open up the Daystar rear 1/4 inch spacer. And this one here is, just in case you didn't see that, it is the Daystar KJ09192BK. And again, that's the 20 and plus JT 0.75. Woohoo, that's a big one, big guy. There we go. So that's, and all this is going to do is this, again, will sit between your coil, sit right there, and give you that little space. Instructions are in there. There we go. Boom, boom. You get a trusty sticker. You always get stickers, right? Nope, no sticker. Oh my God, no sticker, Daystar. Well, these were cheap, so, no sticker for Leroy. There you go. Super quick unboxing. There we go. So nothing crazy. There's your TeraFlex 1.5 for the front, and then there's your Daystar 1/4 inch for the rear. And we'll get those on in another video, and we'll show you how that turns out. But stay tuned. We're still going to do more videos. I got other cool stuff that's going to happen, because I feel bad because I haven't put anything up. But I do appreciate all the comments I get on all my older videos, and I try and answer all your ones. And again, it's still the damn radio. Everybody wants to know about the radio. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.